6 ways to improve your home's appearance. Dear friends, like everything else, a home requires constant maintenance to look its best. However, because it's a significant investment, it most often requires professionals to keep it in excellent shape. If you're concerned about the appearance of your home, there are ways to improve its look. Whether you want to make a dramatic change or just want to update your home style, these tips will help. 1. Pay attention to the roof. The roof tells a lot about the condition of a home. If it's in bad shape, it will be one of the first things that potential buyers and visitors notice. It makes the entire property look dull and can even affect the home value. Have the roof inspected regularly and repair any missing or damaged shingles as soon as possible. In addition, regularly clean the roof, gutters, and downspouts to prevent any buildup of leaves and debris. For best results, be sure to hire Bellevue roof cleaning experts. 2. Spruce up the front door. The front door is the entryway into the home, so it should be in good condition. Give it a fresh coat of paint and ensure the hardware is up to date. Add a new doormat and some potted plants to give it a more inviting look. Choose a color that contrasts with the home's exterior or what the neighbors have to make it stand out. 3. Maintain the landscaping. Overgrown bushes, dead leaves, and weeds give the home an unkempt look. They harbor pests and damage the property. Trim the bushes, mow the lawn, and pull out the weeds. Additionally, add new plants, flowers, mulch, and stones. Set aside time each week to keep the landscaping tidy. Alternatively, hire a professional landscaper. 4. Update the exterior paint. A fresh coat of paint makes the home look new and can even increase its curb appeal. It's best to hire a professional painter to do the job since they have the experience and equipment. Choose a color that goes well with the roof, landscaping, and other home features. 5. Add lighting. Proper lighting brightens up the home and makes it look more inviting. It also makes it safer at night. Add solar lights along the walkway, garage door, front door, and dark corners. Stringing lights along the roof's eaves makes the property stand out, especially during the holidays. You could also add landscape lights to highlight certain features in the yard. To save on energy costs, use LED bulbs. 6. Declutter. Clutter makes the home look messy, smaller, and dirty. Get rid of anything you don't need or use. Organize your belongings and store them properly. Add shelving and storage solutions to help with this. You could also rent a storage unit for items you don't need regularly. After decluttering, be sure to deep clean to get rid of the dirt, dust, and grime. End note to consider. These tips require an investment of time, money, or both. However, they're worth it, as your home will look great and have increased curb appeal. You'll always look forward to coming home and be proud of being your neighbor's envy. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.